What's up guys? Welcome to this another YouTube video. For today, I will show you how to fix cellular data not working on iPhone, but please don't forget to first like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. So without further ado, let's get right into the tutorial. So there should be quite an easy tutorial. First, while using your iPhone, open up your device settings and in the mobile data section, type on mobile data. This option might be called cellular data depending on which iOS version you are using. Make sure the mobile data plan is selected you wish to use if you have data plan. So back into the mobile data settings, ensure that the plan you just selected is enabled, and you can then proceed to make some changes to your mobile carrier settings. In the voice and data section, make sure to set it to the highest available network, or if you have an automatic option, please set it to automatic. You can toggle down between these options to see if it makes any changes in your connection. Currently, I have no data mode option, but if you have, make sure that the low data mode option is not selected. When this is done, it's suggested to restart your iPhone before making any further changes to your settings. So in your settings, navigate to the general section and tap on software update. Download the latest iOS update before restarting your iPhone, especially when using a new iPhone which has not been updated yet. This will make sure that your cellular data problem is not software related. So in case the problem persists, head back to your general settings. Here, tap on VPN and device management and disable any VPN connection to remove profiles if you use one. So if your mobile carrier has no service in your location, you might want to call your ISP to see if the problem is unrelated to your device. As a last resort, you should consider resetting your network settings. In your general iPhone settings, scroll down and tap on Reset iPhone. When tapping on Reset, you can choose Reset Network Settings. This will take a few seconds to restart your iPhone and reset all cellular, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and settings on your device. So I hope this helped you a lot. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching and have a good day.